Hi, I am Nilakshi. Today I am going to describe about some concept of mathematics for senior secondary standard. In my this mathematics video, today I am going to describe the position of irrational number in the number line. In my some earlier video, I have already described about the concept of rational number and also the definition of irrational number. The now if we are in describing the position of irrational number in the number line. First, what we have to do? We have to draw a number line. Okay. So, suppose we draw a number line. Okay, then this is x-axis, x plus, and this is x minus, and this is y plus, and this is y minus. Now, suppose now let's we draw a square on this number line of a unit square of suppose the length of the sides of the square of unit. That means suppose 1 unit of each. So now I have these are the suppose some these are the points. Suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Now I have now draw a square on this number line of 1 unit side. This is a square. You see na, this is a square of 1 unit. That means each side of measurement 1. Now if we draw, you see here I have drawn one square of side 1 unit of each side. We know that the square are of equal length is all the 4 sides. Now you see I have now I draw a right angle triangle on in this square. That means if I draw a right angle triangle making this, suppose this is O and this is A, that means base is OA and this is OB, that means this is the hypotenuse. And we may also suppose this is OACB is the square of 1 unit length of each side. And now you see we have one right angle triangle have developed on this positive quadrant of the number line. You see here, OB is OAB is a what? Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Where OA is the base, AB is the what? Perpendicular to the base OA, and OB is the hypotenuse. OB is the hypotenuse. Okay? So, we have found that in this right angle triangle, OA is the base. Now, AB is the perpendicular to the base and OB is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, the definition of hypotenuse is what? In a right angle triangle, the side of the triangle which is opposite to the 90-degree angle. It is the 90-degree angle of the right angle triangle. Now, here you see, now according to the Pythagoras definition of a right angle triangle, Pythagoras definition of a right angle triangle. Of a right angle triangle, what? You see, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. It is a formula. Okay? It is a formula for a right angle triangle. It is a Pythagoras formula. That means, according to Pythagoras theorem, in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now, so following this Pythagoras theorem, we can now, from this OAB, a right angle triangle, we may following this Pythagoras theorem, we may write down the formula like this: OB square. OB square means what? OB square is the hypotenuse. OB square equal to OA square. OA square means what? OA square means, OA means base of the triangle, right angle triangle, plus AB square. AB square. AB square means what? Perpendicular to the base. Now, that means OA, but we have seen the OB. Now, OB square is equal to, that means OA square means 1 square. We have already drawn the right angle triangle, square as a unit length. So 1 square plus 1 square, that means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now OB is equal to what? That means OB square, and it is OB square is equal to 2. But if I remove the square, then what happens here? It becomes root over 2. Okay, that means the square root. Square root of 2 is this, root 2. Okay, so that means this is the, we have now got the dimension of the OB. That means we have got the dimension of OB. That means the hypotenuse is root 2. Now we find out the position of this root 2 on this number line. Okay. So now I use the what? This. So we may, by using this measurement, this using we can it is something difficult because it is a board. This is the position. Okay, yeah, this is the position of the root 2. Root 2 is what? Root 2 is a rational number. Okay, this is the, that means we can conclude, that means suppose D is the position of root 2 on the number line. So I think you all the viewers or student understand my this explanation of the number line, of a rational number on the number line. Because 2 is a rational number, I have already described the root 2, why root 2 is called also rational numbers. In another video, I will again describe rational number. The example of rational number what? Root 2, root 3, root 5. Okay, these are the rational number. Pi also rational number. Pi means root 22 by 7. So I will again another video. I have already explained in the video, but I will explain again why root 2, root 3, root 5. These are called not rational number. I am very sorry. Are called irrational number. Okay, rational number I have already explained in my some separate video. So I think you understand all this thing from my this video. Okay, thank you. Bye.